view of 231 out from the patio. We had a little bit of too much cutback on the vegetation because I want it that close, but it'll grow. It'll be a few months and it'll be closed over again. So, but much cleaner. And muy tranquilo. So this is available as we speak. It's not it's not video ready. I just came in and opened stuff up. Great ventilation here. I don't have to worry about this place getting musty. Brand new air conditioner. This is a Murphy bed. It folds up and then pulls out a table from it so you can eat on it. Kitchen was redone. It's fully, indoor barbecue, air fryer, everything you need, blenders and coffee and everything. Hair dryers, 2,000 channels on the television, high-speed internet. It's all here. And right now, it's a pretty good deal. Automatic washing machine. Everything's in nice shape. Super clean. Down. There's my screen. I wasn't prepared to do a video today, but this one's empty until, well, I've had a bunch I put it on promotion on Airbnb. I don't have long-term available in this unit until after May 10th. Call it $600 a month. American, USD of course. And right now it's available till November 20th on Airbnb for a ridiculous reduced rate. It's under $20 a night or something ridiculous. But I've been using it for long term recently, so the fact that I have a few weeks open for short term is good. So that's it. Caribe Campo, Terraza Tropimar. Ven aquí. Ven aquí. The ceiling fan is also a Bluetooth speaker. And it comes loaded with everything. Okay. All right. That's it. I'm out. Ven acá. Ahora mismo. Ven acá. My social media guys are constantly telling me that I should be putting myself on camera because if they don't see your face, the more they see your face, the more they will trust you. So, hola. Anyways, it's good for the brand. I just don't do it often. You'd think a guy that enjoys the stage and public speaking as much as I do would be always wanting to be on camera, but no, it's not important for me. But selling you happiness is, and that's what I've been doing these days in Caribe Campo, which is right here. And you sell what you love. And I love this place. What's not to love? The staff are great. The rates are reasonable. The fees are reasonable. The prices are reasonable. And I've been a lot of places in Dominican Republic. There's nothing quite like this as far as positioning, location, and amenities. So sell what you love, and the rest will take care of itself. Ven aquí, ahora mismo. Okay, ciao.